Hi, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah. Anyway, how you doing, everyone? This is DayTraderRockStar here with you for Friday's watch list. If anybody was in the market today, they probably experienced one of the most turbulent trading days in a long time that I've seen, and it was bound to happen. So I hope no one really got caught in it too much. If you profited on plays early in the morning, you were able to take your profits and got your discipline in there, or applied discipline and took profits, then you've really learned a lesson today, and a good one. If you haven't, then you actually learned even a bigger lesson, because it'll always show you this market is never, ready to do anything it's supposed to do, So we don't have many on the watch list tonight because I feel that we're going to have a continuation tomorrow, and this continuation is going to have a downward pressure on a lot of these stocks. So I had a couple momentum plays into the close. I was thinking Google as a momentum play and Baidu as a momentum play. I don't know how they're going to be playing out. I have very little shares. I have 15 shares of Baidu and maybe 25 shares of Google. But I also am short the FXI, and I'm holding 400 shares of. I'm long the I'm short the FXI, but I'm long the DXD, bringing in tomorrow. So, we're hedged our bets. I think this market's heading lower. The futures right now are down. Futures are Dow futures are down 21. S&P futures are, I don't know what they are down right now, but just to let you know, I think this market is heading lower tomorrow, and it should be interesting. One stock that I find interesting, I think is a great play on any type of weakness, is the Citigroup play. I believe earnings are out I just looked it up, earnings are out next on the 19th of October. Now this is a great chart formation. I love to trade this. This is pretty much an inverted head and shoulders here. We have a lower low here, which is actually, it's going to count for a head right there. And then we have another shoulder right here, which I didn't put in, but yeah. And then we also have the upward trend line and downward trend line and all that other good stuff. And we're right in the middle here, and we're ready to go. This thing's ready to break out. So remember, we're going to be fighting a downward market, but a lot of people are expecting an announcement that Prince, the guy Prince, the CEO of Citigroup, will sometime be hitting the road. And they expect when that announcement comes, the stock is going to pop 4 to 5 points right off the bat. So I think because there's so much talk about him leaving, that they're going to be pressured into at least making him leave. Because if he doesn't come out and leave during this conference, or just, I think we're going to sell, we're going to grind up into the earnings on this, on anticipation of some type of announcement. So we might actually break out of this chart formation next week, go up to around $52, and hover there until the earnings come out and hear what they have to do. And if Chuck Prince is gone, we'll probably go up to 55 or something. If not, we might actually sell off back to 49 and then continue up. It's hard, it's going to be an interesting play, but either way, I believe this is a really good stock to be in. Another one I like is Ford. We had a nice run in Ford today. I actually took my position early in the morning and it ran up, so I took some profits. Actually got in again at the end of the day. I thought it would pull back, but it wasn't really even pulling back. The statistics look really great on it, turning up now. Beautiful inverted head and shoulders. I really believe that this one is in play because the Auto Workers Union, UAW, came to a settlement with Chrysler, and they seem to be coming to settlements. And I think this one was pulling back here because it was a little worried that Ford was going to be next on the UAW's hit list, and I think that they're figuring, well, Ford is going to make the deal that they have to do, and that's going to cause the stock to go up. So it's starting to go up now. So I expect this to get some momentum and to continue up. Just one to hold long term. So now we got some cheaper prices in some stocks. So that's another good thing that about this pullback. A lot of these stocks needed to come back. Remember, you could always hedge your bet with the DXD or any of the ultra shorts, and this is what I'm doing right now. We have an outside day on the DXD, which is very bullish for any type of stock, and going, or not bullish, would be whatever the direction the outside day is. If it's an up outside day or a down outside day, usually a nice continuation follow through in that direction. So this one's an up outside day, and this one should continue up as the market should continue down. So we shall see. We shall see. Google trading at 619 after market, after hours, but like I said, the futures are trading off yet. Waiting to see what the Hang Seng is going to do. I am short the Hang Seng FXI, trading stock, the stock that tracks the Asian market there, and just looking around for some other good stocks I'm interested in buying. Well, like I said, I want this pullback to play out before I really commit any money, so I'm going to be very safe with my picks. The discipline is the key here, staying in the game and trying to pick some not catch the bottoms, not pick the bottoms, but just get some cheaper stocks. I think Google is always going to have a bounce because of all these analysts coming out saying $700. So the more this goes back down, the more I'm going to be interested in getting some Google. Same thing with Apple and some other the big stocks. All right, so I gotta first also thank, as I have enough time here, thank all the listeners who've been writing in every day and just keeping me going. I got a great email from Daryl Sunstar. Daryl, he gave me a lot of good suggestions. I'm going to start changing around my charts so you can see them a little bit better and using some of his ideas. Appreciate that. I appreciate all the other emails that come in. You know the ones I'm talking about, the ones I email back and forth and I mention on the radio and stuff. There's a lot out there, so I'm not going to just go through all of them because I would be afraid to leave someone out, and I don't want to do that. So you know who you are, and I appreciate it. So that's it. I'm going to see you tomorrow morning. We'll evaluate the market in the morning, and I think we'll have a great day tomorrow. You know, just remember, the market's going down. You know, you can still go long certain stocks, which I like to do. You know, I'm not a big shorter, especially these stocks that have big swings, 10, 20-point swings. You just never know which direction they're going to go. And also, you could always get in a small amount of shares, you know, and trade that way. You can still have a nice day. So, any questions or comments, you know how to get in touch with me, hopefully. And remember, I'll be trading tomorrow, and hopefully you will be too. Talk to you then.